Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new method for getting unlimited points in Microsoft Rewards. This method is super effective and really easy to follow. I've already used this method, and as you can see, I have an incredible amount of points. The best part is that this method doesn't require any special skills like jailbreaking or anything complicated. It's really easy to use. I'll guide you through each step, making sure you understand exactly what to do. Just follow along with the steps in this video, and you'll be earning points in no time. Keep in mind that this method is designed for mobile devices, so it works perfectly on both iOS and Android. If you're currently using a PC, just grab your phone and follow along. Alright guys, if you're ready, let's dive into the tutorial and start earning those points. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First, enable Background App Refresh by going to General and choosing it on Wi-Fi or on Wi-Fi and mobile data. Second, turn off Battery Saver Mode because it can mess up the app. Make sure you do these two steps before moving on. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it will be Safari, and go to the website called lucidapk.com. LucidAPK.com is a website where you can find many modded apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Microsoft Rewards and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the blue download button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.